In the little town of Animalville was the preschool. Let's see the unicorns. Oh no! It seems like Oscar the meanie is beating up the little unicorns. The teacher will not let that happen. Go to the principal, says the teacher. Hello, Oscar. I need to tell you, you have been expelled for being such a bad student. Go away, Oscar. Go home. Wah! Screams Oscar, and he went away. Now let's see the dog and the giraffe, Barks and Peaches. Wow, this is such great! I know, I love our drawing. The teacher gets on to them. Hey, kids, don't talk too loud. But they didn't listen. They kept talking. I've told you once, and I won't tell you twice. Go to the principal's office. You have been very, very bad. Detention. Aww, they scream. Now it's time for lunch. Everyone go to the cafeteria. Everyone has some delicious food, but they don't have delicious food because the end episode is to be continued. Hello everyone, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for doing some of the movements. One of my friends has been featured in this. I won't say any names. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. This has been Scouttastic XXXXXX, and I'll see you in the next video of Animalville Preschool.